20 years on, over 1,000 Huskies are expected to run this weekend in one of the biggest gatherings of its kind in the world.
The trails look absolutely pristine. We have over 200 entries altogether, so it's going to be a bit of chaos.
And there will be no need for wheel sleds this year, with the driver, known as the musher, able to make the most of the snowy conditions.
This is like the best it can be, and you can see when you're putting them on the line, they're just so geared up, they're revved up.
The occasion will bring about thousands of spectators are expected, and like me, may be encouraged to have a go. Well, helpfully at this stage, I've just been told that Huskies don't understand the command to stop. So let's hope I find the brake. Really think it was going to be me, did you? Jackie O'Brien with her bloody double and a lot of Huskies in the care box. And it is a real thing. Phil's got the weather. Good morning.